Hi there, how are you doing? Well, today we're going to have a look at a couple of new devices from Zemismart. So what they've sent me today is an RGB light, which is a Zigbee based device. And secondly, we're going to be having a look at these matter based smart switches. I've got a 3-gang and a 6-gang. So having a look at these switches, they've got nice big buttons on there and they've got a little LED over there. As you can see, pretty cost effective, and they are saying that they can work with Matter over on an Apple Home device, Google Home or SmartThings, and of course we'll be testing this for Home Assistant. As you can see, they're pretty cost effective there at $17 US. So just having a look down the bottom here at the wiring, pretty straightforward like most of these Wi-Fi switches. We've got a live wire coming in there, we've got our neutral line coming in over there, and then each of our lamps would be connected to the neutral over there, and then the live would be coming straight into 1, 2, and 3 gang. Once again, get your electrician to install these. Now, the size of the switch is 86 millimeters by 86 millimeters, so you'll have to check out whether that is going to meet your requirements. As for the hole that you've got at the moment in the wall, they're claiming over here for up to 300 watts LED per gang, or 700 watts incandescent. So that's a pretty good rating, I must say. Now, I do really like these matter-based switches, so let's hope these perform as well as some of the other ones. The other unit that I've got here is the 6-gang. It's quite a lot larger, but a little bit more expensive. If we look at the size of this one, we're moving up towards, let's just check here, the sizing of this one. There we go, 124 by 125, and same type of wattage for each bulb. So if we have a look at these switches, they've got a nice build quality. They feel pretty solid, and as you can see over here, the button basically bends down and presses at the bottom piece over here, and then you have this little indicator LED over here telling you whether the light is on and off. On the underside, obviously, we've got our connections over here, and those have just got little star screws over there. If we want to mount this on the wall, we would just take this over here, stick a knife or a screwdriver or something in there and force that open. There we go. So your base unit disconnects away from the top face. If we have a look at the top face, we can see that we've got all of the electronic components which are featuring the Wi-Fi stuff on this side, and then on this side we've got the heavy current stuff that is actually dealing with the 220 volts and switching of the lights. So pretty easy. Once you've taken that off, you can just screw through over here and mount this quite easily. Now, if we have a look at the larger one here, you can see we've got the 6-gang over here, and we can now see quite clearly that if I press these buttons, the little blue LED indicator light will tell us which one is on and off. I really like the 6-1 because I'm going to use this not only for controlling. I don't have 6 lights in any one switch position, but I might have 1 or 2 lights, or even 3, but then I might have 3 other devices that I'm going to control with this using the disconnected switching system that I explained in another video. I'll link the link in the description of the video below. So in order to pair this up, I supplied power to the live and the neutral, and then went along and held one of these buttons in for 3 seconds to go into pairing mode. Next, I went to Home Assistant, Add Device, Matter Device, No It's Not New, and I scanned the QR code on the back of the switch. As you can see, it picks up that it's a switch and started connecting. This takes a couple of minutes, but it connected up really well. So as you can see, they've all connected up there in Home Assistant, and we've got our 6 gangs all available via Matter over Wi-Fi. So having a look at this Zigbee ceiling light, it's got full RGB colors. It's 24 watts of smart LED, It's 4 centimeters thick and 32 centimeters wide, and selling at $45 US. So having a look at the unit at the top, it's got this smooth diffuser on the front. On the back side, we've got this slot in, and we've got the ceiling mount that I've already installed. If we open this unit up, you'll see that you can clip this little cover off, and you can then open this up over here like that, and you'll see inside that we have quite a large number of LEDs in there. We've got our controller over there, and this gives us a really nice bright light. So this device connected up really simply to my Zigbee network. As you can see, we can select any of the colors that we want inside of this color selector. We have our on and off. We also have our on level, so you can set it to a certain brightness for on, and we can also decide what sort of start up behavior we want to. So all in all, very, very cool downlight. If you're needing some sort of light in one of your rooms, I would definitely recommend one of these. Anyway, that's all for now. You have a great week. Catch up again soon. Bye then.